Hey everyone, Metaverse Philosopher here again. Today we're going to be doing an Apple Vision Pro app review for Little Cities Diorama. Alright, so this is another Apple Arcade Vision Pro app, and it looks like you're basically building different cities with living communities, is what I can sense from the description. So yeah, let's check it out. Whoa, Little Cities Diorama. Alright, play me first to learn the game. Nice. Whoa, look at that. Start your hands in neutral pose in front of you. Okay. Middle finger and thumb pinch the island with both hands. Left. Nice. Right. Nice. Oh, zoomed in. Nice. Smaller. Cool. Rotate. Nice. Okay, cool. Open the info menu by gazing and pitching. Okay. Oh, funds, money, composition, grass, trees, water, rocks and ruins, mountains. Cool. Okay, music. Cool. In this mode, you can sculpt your own island. Pop the bubble by pinching with your thumb and index finger whilst gazing at it. Whoa. Oh, you can actually... No way, that's so cool. Look at that. Alright, let's make this island, y'all. Cool. No way, let's make like a lake in the middle of the island. Alright. Cool. Twist your left wrist to scale down the brush head. Oh. Oh, okay, you're changing the sizing of it. Nice. Ocean. So you can make it a certain shape. That's cool. Yeah, let's make it look like this. Oh, cool. Alright. Wow, you can do sand too. No way. Oh, water. So people can... Yeah, there we go. We need people to be able to drink some water. Oh, you can remove it too. Alright. Wow, this is a pretty expansive game. This is crazy. Make it make mountains? No way. Whoa. Rocks? Desert rock. This is so cool. Oh, you can rotate the rock. Nice. Bulldoze. Oh, you can bulldoze like... Oh, I see. So you can delete stuff easily. Sweet. Foliage. Yeah, let's add a whole bunch of different trees. Cherry blossoms. You can reduce... Nice, look at all of them. Reduce sandstorms. Oh, you can actually... Nice. Generate random landscape? Okay. Nice, it's like procedural. That's so cool. This looks so cool. I like the ocean. Look at that. Seaport. What? You can actually build a port? No way. You can return to the landscape at any point to change the shape of your landscape. Okay, starting funds. No way. Challenging citizens, disasters. Alright, let's get some more money. Unlimited. Oh, look at the time going by. Alright. Road? Oh, you build roads? No way. Yeah, let's build some roads. Yeah, let's keep building, y'all. Cool. Alright, I'm building roads. Pinch your... Let's see. Continuing to build here. Nice, build roads. Alright, I'm building roads. Cool. Alright, let's bulldoze, like, gotta get rid of these mountains. Can I not demolish that? Interesting. Extend from your road to the seaport. I guess you can't delete those, huh? That's weird. Oh, but you can delete the road, I guess. Alright. Oh, you know what? It might need to be in the middle. It's gonna be in the middle, probably. Alright, let's demolish this actually, y'all. Well, actually, no, you can build stuff now. More stuff, okay. Your city needs houses. Oh, yeah. It's like residential zoning. Zoning? Yeah, let's build some houses. Grid squares next to roads can be zoned. Pinch your thumb to access, okay. Whoa! What? Oh my god, look at that! It's like that little construction car. No way, it's so cool how you can like... Wow, look at them. It's so cool. You guys remember that game Lego Loco from back in the day? It's like a really old one. That's what this reminds me of. Maybe like even Roller Coaster Tycoon, where you're like... That'd be fun actually, to port that over to Vision Pro. Basically creating like living simulations like this. 9 weeks in, holy cow. It's going by. Alright, we need more. We need more houses. Dang, we're really building. These guys don't have much space. Wow, look at this. Wait, what's going on here? You need power? Not enough electricity in the power grid. Help. All utilities. Wind turbine. No, we need more electricity, y'all. We got nuclear? Alright, let's get the wind turbine. I guess you need electricity. Whoa. Put that here, though. Wait. Whoa, you can literally build a wind turbine? Build a water tower. Alright, we need water now. Yeah, we need water. Whoa, we need shops so people have jobs and stuff. Dang, this is a packed city, y'all. Yeah, let's build some more. People need jobs. And I think I need to attach some of the road over there too. Let's attach some of this road. Need it here. There we go. Gotta attach these ones too. There we go. Whoa, look at all these houses being built. There we go. Now people can get to all these places. Alright. It's kind of like Animal Crossing too. Without the animals. Man, Animal Crossing on AVP would be so sick. I know Nintendo would probably never do that, but that would be so rad. They definitely like borrow. Oh, whoa, look at the whale. No way. That's so cool. Look at that whale right there. That's awesome. It's like an Easter egg. Alright, alright. Cool. Alright, what do I need? Zoning. Industrial. Create factories? Pollution's gonna upset people though. Alright, where? Dang, this town is crazy, bro. No way. So how are people feeling? What do they need? What is that? Oh, look at those birds. That's so crazy. Look at the birds flying around like that. No way. Look at those. What? And they're like landing on the port? That's so cool. Whoa, okay, so you can check out other map islands too? No way. Alright. I see, so you can go to Demo City here. Zoom in on this, y'all. Look at this city, wow. Look at this guy. Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's a fire. It's a fire truck. There's a plane right there. There's boats. No way. Is that like a Megatron? It's like a Transformer. Wow, this is so cool. What happens if you... Can you touch it? That'd be so cool if, like, you could be like Godzilla and just... Actually, I think that'd be a really cool app. Imagine there's like a city and you're just Godzilla and you're just like wrecking everything. Man, I remember me and my friends back in high school used to play GTA, but we would never play the missions. We just go on rampages in the city. It'd be kind of similar. This is cool. Look at all that. No way. Alright, so you can build here. Whoa, you got a lot of money. Look at the population counters like going up and down. It's got electricity, got power. People are really happy here, huh? What's this demand? Demanding everybody's zones are near for your city. Larger demand. No way. Wow, look at all this. Alright, let's see if we can... It's gonna build stuff. Oh, attractions? No way. Alright, we need a beach, dude. I guess there's a beach right here. People can go to the beach over here, I guess. Whoa. But there's no snow. Ice hockey rink, snow and pizza shack. Alright, we definitely need like a snowy terrain. What? Okay, we gotta... Alright, we need snow. I see, I see. Can you build it here? I see, so you need snow. You need snow. Alright, alright. Attractions. No way, this is so sports, mini golf, baseball field, no way. Basketball, alright, let's play some basketball. Let's go right here, next to the beach. Oh, I gotta be next to residential? Damn, you gotta build like on top of someone's house basically, huh? Alright, let's get rid of this. Oh shoot. What just happened? I just built the basketball court right there. No way. What does that do? Let's undo that. Undo, undo. Okay, okay. Yeah. Needs to be less intrusive. Alright, this is better. What about like right here? You don't need both of those parks. Yeah, like... Yo, why can't I? Yeah, there we go. No way, look at the hot air balloon. This is so freaking cool. Look at this. Alright, let's keep building. I want to go crazy. Oh, services, sports, culture. Wow, you can like do anything here. Monument? Santa's grotto? Yo, let's build. But you have to like destroy. Oh, look at those birds. This is so cool. You gotta like destroy stuff to put Santa's grotto. Alright, we'll put it in the back side of town. Oh, look at that beach. Nah, actually. Man, this city's cool. Alright, sorry dude. We gotta build on top. We gotta build. Oh, we need snowy terrain. I see. Oh, you can edit the landscape? No way. Paint terrain. Alright, let's build some snow. Alright, let's put it where many people aren't living right now. Sorry y'all, we got a... Oh, this is a rocket ship right there? Are you kidding me? Alright, we're building it. We're gonna build that thing next to the rocket ship. Oh no! Oh man. People are gonna be pissed. Features, right? Yeah. No, not features. Hold on. Build. Special, here we go. Culture. Santa's grotto. Let's go. This is so cool, y'all. No way. Oops. This is so cool, y'all. So it looks like you can save like different maps. Little Cities diorama. Super cool. Yeah, you can just basically click here and start. Wow. Fresh start, tropical, winter, desert. I love how you can like check out these massive cityscapes. Wow, look at that. This is so cool. I wonder if there's like a multiplayer element. You can check out other players' islands and stuff. Maybe. Oh no, I don't think so. Oh, okay. Activities. Yeah, maybe not actually. Yeah, I think it's a very good single-player game. It's really immersive. Just basically build your own world. I love like the little Easter eggs too. Look at all these birds flying. Music super relaxing. Yeah, I think definitely you guys should check this one out. It'd be super cool to play with other people too. Check out their islands. All right, y'all. Well, check this one out. Alright, thanks so much and catch y'all next time.